in the airport. I'm in the airport, guys. I'm waiting for somebody. Somebody is coming from abroad. I'm waiting for somebody, guys. This is the Kenyatta International Airport of Kenya. Yeah. And I'm waiting for somebody. Somebody is coming from abroad, guys. Yes. Home is sweet, always home is sweet. Somebody is now tired. He has committed, he has finished his contract from abroad, and now she comes. I'm here waiting for her. Anytime she's arriving here. Yes, that is the fact. That is the fact. Hiyo ndio kweli wa maneno. Let us wait and see. If she comes, I will show you. Yes, my dear Kenyans. People are traveling. Just look at them. These are people traveling, going to abroad. Hey, our people are going outside country where things are not easy in Kenya. People are traveling. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Let's wait and see.